Masifika phansi kwengcebo siyasima asikwazi ukuthandela konke kodwa namhlanje thina kayinqala ngo kuthembekile uNkulunkulu.
Just because my master I can face tomorrow, just because my Savior lives I can face tomorrow. He lives, He reigns. Just because He lives, oh yes, I can face tomorrow. Tata Mambongwe, tell us your story.
We are crushed in this world,
Yes,
but
Lord.
not destroyed. Yeah, we get tired, but not weary. Oh, through it all. Yeah, through it all. Through it all. I've learned to depend on Him.
Babu Ngwenyama.
La la la. Abanganasihlobo nabo bonke abantu abanosizi sabayazi ngesifo sakho kodwa uNkulunkulu akayazi le ndaba namhlanje ithi ngingena kuye ngingena kuye uthembekile ungisa wezinhlanda
Ishayiwe, emhlabeni ngethelwe, ngethukiwe.
Yes, I've been betrayed.
Through it all, yes, Lord. Yes, I've learned to depend. Mazwide.
Nishayiwe mhlabeni athelelwe Nkosi yami lethukiwe mina
Hi, I'm Thokozani Talks Nkosi, and I thank you for watching our video. I trust you are blessed and inspired by it. There are plenty more to see. My suggestions right here will leave you motivated, so do click on any of them. Remember, you can subscribe to the Talks TV Inspirational channel now by clicking on the subscribe button. Thank you once again for watching. Comment down below. We love hearing from you. Talks TV, your home of inspiration.